Har, matey, time for a package from China. We are really gonna like it. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about something totally different. No handhelds, no bootleg consoles or games. No, we are going to talk about the Dragon Ball Z Crystal Ball. Or balls in this case, because there are more than one ball. And so it is going to be a ball video. These are fake balls, and what I'm trying to say with this is that there are bootlegs from the original one. Or that's Wild Child told me. I can already see that, I hope you can see it on the camera, is that if you look at the box, it's a little bit darkish. It's not that crisp clear art box, so it's a scan and a bootleg of the original. So that's a little bit of a bummer. But yeah, but then you're thinking, now we can not summon the almighty Shenron, so we cannot do a wish. Why do I need balls? Now that is very simple. You need Dragon Balls. Because, yeah, it's fun for decoration. If you have a Dragon Ball statue, these are very nice to put with your statue. Let's open the box. Got a little magnetism lock here. Really nice. And this is what we are going to get. It's laying here in a little cushion, very nice. And yeah, I must say I'm very surprised. If you look at the balls itself, I'm going to take one out. Oh, the camera zooms in. Alright, let's zoom in a little bit. And what you can see here, you see that they are from two pieces glued together or something like that, so you still see this little edge here. But in overall, they are looking very nice. And yeah, if you want to use something for decoration, this is really awesome. They are not very expensive. And yeah, if you're a Dragon Ball fan, they come in different sizes. These are the second size, if I'm correct. You got even little one, like little marbles. But you also get one that is just as big and fits one in your hand. So yeah, I really love the Dragon Balls, and I just wanted to show you. And what are we going to get? So yeah, let me know, what do you think of the Crystal Dragon Ball? I really love to know what you think of it. And yeah, I know this product for quite some while, and again, let me know what you think. Is this something you want to have as a Dragon Ball fan, or yeah, you think it's just rubbish? I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Wicked videos. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.